Hello and welcome to Eleanor's Hearty Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, easy, healthy, and of course very delicious meal for lunch, dinner, or anytime you would like to. So let's start. Cut the lettuce into medium sizes. If it's too big, cut it to half. This one was very wide, so I cut it to three. Put it into a bowl. Chop some celeries. Cucumber, I usually like to use the Persian cucumbers and leave the skin on. Today I had the Kirby one, so I removed the skin because it's rough to eat. And cherry tomatoes cut to half. Leave it aside and we're gonna start to work on our chicken breast. I removed the veins and the fat that's on the chicken breast. Now we're gonna cut our chicken breast into thin slices. But first we need to remove this thick piece of the chicken. What is this piece called? Please let me know in the comments. And now for the fun part. Cutting the chicken breast into thin slices. With one hand, press on the chicken breast and with the knife, cut under it to a very thin slice. So we're gonna repeat again. Press and cut into a slide motion from up to down. Do you see how it comes out? I also used to be afraid to do it, but practice makes perfect. So again, slide your knife from up to down. After each slice, pick up the top part and remove the knife closer so you will have the best position to cut it through. Look how thin is it. You can't even see my blue nails from under. If the piece becomes too long, you can just cut it to desired size. Remove the chicken breast to a bowl and we will marinate it. Add salt and pepper. We'll put some salt and pepper also to the salad since I already have the spices out. Back to the chicken marinade. Add turmeric and a sweet paprika. Add a lot of sweet paprika so we will have this nice reddish color while cooking. Some oil and mix it to combine with all the spices. We will leave it aside for a little bit until we will finish dressing our salad. Adding 1 spoon of mayo and mix it all to combine. So the salad have only salt, pepper, and mayo. It's much easier to mix it with the hands. When we're done, we're gonna put it on the serving plate and we will start with cooking our chicken. Into a frying pan, add some oil. I like to use the fry pan to give it a nice grill look. Put the chicken, but make sure that the pan is hot enough. The chicken pieces cut very thin, so the cook time it's very fast. When you see that some part of the chicken change color, it's time to flip it around and cook it until it's completely cooked. When ready, put it on the serving plate with the salad that we prepared earlier and it's ready to serve. If you're not sure if the chicken is ready, especially with the thick pieces, just cut it through and check the inside if it's cooked. And that's it. Look at this healthy plate. Just missing some avocado, but still so healthy, so light. Look at this. So yummy. Let's try. So good. One more bite. Wow. So delicious. It literally took me 15 minutes to make it from A to Z. So anytime you're running out of ideas or you need something quick, remember this dish. Quick, easy, healthy, and very yummy.